Hello, this is Nancy, and welcome back to Luck of the Draw. This is the third series, and this is our first week. I know lots of you are excited. Some of you have probably already started. I've started mine. I've done my first 3 rows. I've done them solid, which makes a better foundation and holds up to the structure of the blanket. So let's go ahead and draw a number. So I have assigned all my yarns a number 1 through 8. And let's pick a number because I know lots of you are excited about it. So I have 1 through 8 in the hat, my luck of the Irish hat. And today we have number 8. So on mine, I kind of have this light bluish color is my number 8. Whoops, sorry. And it is called Robin Egg in mine. And I'm using Caron 1 pound of love. Caron 1 pound. Okay, so to show you on my last blanket, I did 3 solid rows, and then this was the first color that we picked. So in here, the pattern is like repeats these 3 rows. A solid row, a window row, which is crochet, chain 1, skip 1 here, crochet, all the way across, except for on the beginning of each row, I do 3 solid crochets. Then I start the window, which kind of gives it this side structure, kind of self-bordering. So that's what you'll do next is, sorry about all the ends. So you'll do your first 3 rows. This one a solid instead of a window, which helps be supportive of the weight and keep the shape of the blanket. Then you'll do a solid in your color that we just selected. And then the first, then you'll turn however you do your turn chain or your turns. A lot of people chain 1 turn and go into the first stitch. Some people will chain 3 and go into the next. I chain 2 because it gives you less of a gap here as a chain 3 is what I've come to find. So I did a solid row all the way across, then I double crocheted 3, then I started my lace stitch or window rows, and it is, like I said, you've crocheted this one, then you chain 1, skip 1 down here, double crochet the next. Now you don't have to do it in double crochets, you don't have to do that pattern. It is just kind of a guideline to give you an idea of how to do it. Some people do it all solid. I've had one person only do 2 rows per color, but the purpose of having the 3 rows, or what I like about it, is, which I told you about in the information video, is that when you do it every 3 rows, you'll have your ends here, and then the ends, if you only do 2 rows, all your ends will be on one side. By doing 3 rows, it turns your ends to the other side. So there you are. You're all ready. And we'll see you next week on Nan's Next Knots, Luck of the Draw.